All right, it's finally halfway dry enough to at least do the first couple of jumps. And first thing is first, I gotta flatten out this big lander behind me that I've been piling dirt on after dig. So gotta smooth this out, pull some of this really crumbly dry clay stuff down onto this soft flat bottom. Hopefully that'll firm it up a little, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that roll in just doesn't really cut it. I mean, I can make this lip a little bigger, a little better, but I definitely didn't feel like quite enough speed for transferring to the kicker, so we'll see. All right, got the roll-in fixed. It's actually steeper than the original and a little further set back, so you get more run up, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be more speed, so hopefully it's not too much, but I think it's going to be really good, so let's give it a shot and find out.